What's up, YouTube? I was just recording this video because shit, today the oil burner might just be done. Nah, let me show you. This motherfucker started shaking on me. I was running back home from work. I already be burning oil, so know how that go. What, I put the PCV valve on like 1 or 2 weeks ago. And I just swapped out the ignition coils. See what that'll do. That ain't did shit. So shit. Start it up, show y'all what it do real quick. Motherfucker rattling like a motherfucker. Tupac say, I make a motherfucker shake, rattle and roll. Yup, I don't know what's up. I ain't supposed to be sounding like that though.